Just 10 minutes north of Altoona and 25 minutes south of State College is the home of family fun and famous food. Of course, I'm talking about DelGrosso's Park and Laguna Splash. Amy Markle is sharing more with us. DelGrosso's is sponsoring this segment today. We have talked about DelGrosso's before in past summers. It's such a fun place. Could you please just start with an overview of what we can expect?
So we call ourselves the home of family fun and famous food. There's delicious homemade Italian food all throughout the park, but you can enjoy the ride side with over 30 rides and attractions, or you can enjoy the Laguna Splash water side. We have a wave pool, a lazy river, speed slides, a Bambini Cove area. So there's a little something for everyone in the family to enjoy.
You said or, but and,
right? It really is
right.
And, because an all-day fun pass that we had includes both sides.
That's so cool.
So you get to choose where you want to spend your day.
The water parks are so popular for families. Again, tell us what's included in the water park.
So you get to go to the wave pool, Wave Oceano. Everything has a little bit of an Italian name to it, so I have to stop and think about it. So there's a beautiful wave pool. There's 5 speed slides. Bambini Cove is where the Leaning Tower of Pisa is shooting out water. So again, all those Italian themes. The lazy river is half lazy, half crazy. Half of it you can just enjoy floating on your raft. The other half, there's interactive features like tilting wine barrels and shooting fish, so the kids can be squirting and looking for mom and dad, maybe floating down the river and find a good place to squirt at them.
That's so fun, and I think the aesthetics of it will be like so fun for mom and dad to see all that like Italian culture there. And this we should mention, it is home to America's best amusement park food, and you're not kidding here.
That's right, and we want you to be able to enjoy the food at home, and if you do, that gets you a great deal to come to the park. So on all of our spaghetti sauce jars, our original DelGrosso spaghetti sauce, what you can do is find the $8 and $5 off coupons, and you can bring those right to the ticket window to save on your all-day fun pass. Or our sister company, Mariana's Fundraisers, who does fundraising hoagies and pizzas for nonprofits, church, school groups, sporting groups, you name it. All summer long on the hoagies is the same $5 and $8 off coupon. So if you need a great fundraiser, this is something else that your customers get in addition to the delicious food.
That's great, and you're fundraising for something else. So it's just a win-win all around. Admission and ticketing, how does that work?
So it's $31.95 is your all-day fun pass, and that all-day fun pass includes both rides and water. But again, if you have the Mariana's coupon or the coupon from the back of a sauce jar, and if you have some DelGrosso sauce in your cupboard that maybe doesn't have the coupon, we still honor the coupon. We still honor, you bring that label and we'll honor the current coupon price.
Just clean out your pantry and bring it with you.
Cook dinner and then clean out your pantry. But we have a lot of great fun events through the summer too that are cost saving, affordable family fun. We all know that this day and age we need to save some money.
Yes.
And so affordable family fun. So whether it's Father's Day, we're celebrating moms and dads, they get in for $10. And on the second Wednesday of each month, it's Weiss Wednesday. You show your preferred shopper's card, and it's a buy one, get one free.
That is terrific. And you know, the cost to get in, it's so reasonable, and there's free parking.
Free parking, and if you're not riding or entering the gated water park area, it's free admission.
Oh my gosh.
So grandmas and grandpas that maybe just want to
have
some ice cream and eat the funnel cake and hold the stuff for you, they can enjoy spending time walking through the park and enjoying our park benches around in the shade.
That's terrific. It's really terrific. Let's just put information on the screen as to where you're located. Do you need tickets in advance? Can you buy them there?
You can buy them at the window, especially if you're bringing your coupons from the sauce jars, or you can do them online at mydelgrossopark.com, and the online savings is the same. We match our sauce jar. So if you're buying online, the month of June you save 8, and the month of July you save 5, and August as well, 5.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for visiting.
Thank
Great to
you.
have you here.
Come float down the river.
I will.